Hello. Today I would like to read a book that is very special for me because it is illustrated by one of my friends, Nidhi Chanani. I went to college with her, and now she's an illustrator and an artist, and um, she also writes books too. But this one she illustrated, and it's called I Will Be Fierce, written by Bea Birdsong. Fierce means unafraid and feeling like you can take on the world, feeling like you can do it. I will be fierce. Today, I will be fierce. I will answer the call to adventure. Looks like she's waking up and she's ready to tackle the world. I will put on my armor. I will fill my treasure chest. I'm thinking, this doesn't look like armor. This doesn't look like a treasure chest. I wonder why the words say that this is armor and this is a treasure chest. Let's think about that. I will go forth to explore new worlds. Looking at this picture, I'm wondering, who is she talking to? Maybe it's somebody in her family. Maybe it's her grandmother. Let's see. Today I will be fierce. I will take on the monsters that stand in my way. Uh-oh. Those aren't monsters. Those are dogs. She does look a little scared, doesn't she? But she is going to take them on. Let's see what happens. I will drive back the dragons. Oh, look at that. She's blowing bubbles. And it looks like the dogs like it. They're going to play with the bubbles. I think I'm beginning to understand. She is doing things that will address what is making her feel scared. So instead of running away from the dogs, she found a way to play with them. I will dare to walk with the giants. She looks a little worried there, getting ready to ride the bus. But she found a way to feel less nervous. What did she do? I will charge the many-headed serpent. Look at that school bus. Look at all those kids. They're having fun, but she doesn't look like she's having fun. Today I will be fierce. She got on the bus. She was fine. I will chart my own course. When you chart a course, that means you decide where you're going to go. She's deciding to go somewhere different than everybody else. I wonder where she is going. I will climb the mountain of knowledge. This looks familiar. Where is she? Looks like a library. I will trick the guardian of wisdom into revealing her secrets. Who is the guardian of wisdom? Wisdom is information, things that make you smart. I think it's the librarian. I will solve the mysteries of the unknown. She's got her colored pencils, crayons. I see some pictures here. I see some flashcards. Looks like she's doing some work. She's learning. Maybe she's drawing. Today I will be fierce. I will break away from the ordinary. Ooh, look at that. She decided that instead of drawing any old animal, she was going to draw something different than everybody else. I will stand up for my beliefs. Take a look at this picture. There's lots of kids sitting at a lunch table, making faces at the student right here. She does not look very happy. I will build new bridges. Oh, look at that. She decided to talk to this new friend. When you build bridges, that doesn't mean that you're actually building a bridge over water. That means you are making a connection with somebody. You're talking to them. I will search for light in the darkness. Oh no, it's a rainy day. All of these people are underneath this overhang trying to stay dry. But she's decided that she is going to make it be a good thing. She's going to go play in the rain. Today I will be fierce. I will claim my victory. Show and tell. I will conquer my fears. I will make my voice heard. Look at that. She looks a little scared. She's thinking, I don't know if I want to get up and share with the whole class. But she changed and she became brave. Let's see what happens. I will be the hero of my story. Oh, look at that. She got up the courage to stand in front of her class. Today I will be fierce. I will lead the way home. And then I will rest. Because when you're fierce, that takes a lot of energy. Sometimes when you're scared or you're afraid or you're nervous or you're feeling really shy, when you get up the courage and the energy to be fierce, to be brave, that can make you really tired. So I don't blame her at the end of the day coming home and taking a nap. And I'm guessing that must be her grandma. Somebody in her family. I don't know. The words don't say it. For tomorrow, I will be fierce again. So she knows tomorrow when she wakes up, she's going to have to be brave and face the day. So one of the reasons why I like this book, besides the fact that it was illustrated by somebody amazing, who I love and adore, is that it gives a really important message to us right now while we are stuck in our homes and we can't really go outside except to go shopping for food and stuff like that. It reminds me that sometimes things might be scary, but we really have to be fierce. We have to be brave and face the day. And sometimes we have to pretend that some of the things that scare us are something else. For example, one thing she did was she pretended that her clothes were armor. Armor is what people wear when they're going to get hurt or where they might get hurt. And armor is usually made out of something really strong like metal. But she's just pretending that her regular clothes are armor, that they protect her. Right? And she was also pretending that this was a treasure chest. And she was pretending that the dogs were dragons. So those are good strategies for tackling your fears. And I do a lot of that when I'm afraid of something. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this story, and I look forward to reading you more. Bye.